The earning potential of AI images is truly limitless, and in this video we'll show you how to take advantage of it. From image recognition to natural language processing, we'll explore how AI image is transforming the business world and opening up new opportunities for financial success. So stay tuned till the end of this video not to miss any important part.
Have you heard of MakeIt? It's an AI-based generative design software that's changing the game for architects, builders, and developers. If you're in the business of creating architectural plans, you need to know about MakeIt. What sets MakeIt apart is its use of artificial intelligence to help users find the best floor plan for their clients. The algorithm understands project constraints and allows for customization of the size and shape of the land and desired space between rooms. This means you can create design concepts in minutes, not months, and instantly explore thousands of AI-generated floor plans. And the best part? MakeIt offers real-time collaboration so all stakeholders can work together on the same platform. It's perfect for small and large teams and incredibly user-friendly with a simple interface that's easy to navigate. But wait, there's more. MakeIt also manages invoices, automates data entry and approval, and simplifies the architectural process by providing a more thoughtful design for faster growth. And when you're ready to share your plans, you can export them in PDF or PNG formats. With its real-time collaborative feature, you can work with your team to make changes to the designs in real time, eliminating the need for lengthy email threads and confusing back-and-forth communication. Plus, with MakeIt's 3D visualization feature, you can see your design come to life, giving you a better understanding of how each design will look and function in the real world. And if you're worried about losing control over the design process, don't be. MakeIt offers complete customization options, including the ability to change the size and shape of the land, building, and rooms. You have full control over the design process, and MakeIt helps you get there faster. Finally, one of the things that sets MakeIt apart is its commitment to making life easier for architects, builders, and developers. From its simple interface to its powerful features, MakeIt is designed to streamline the architectural process and help you get more done in less time. So why not give it a try and see how it can help you achieve your goals? In conclusion, MakeIt is a game changer in the architectural industry. And if you're looking for a faster, more efficient way to create architectural plans, you need to check it out. It's available for both small and large teams, and it's sure to become an essential tool in your arsenal. So what are you waiting for? Give MakeIt a try today. Have you heard about Clickable? It's a unique artificial intelligence advertising platform making waves in the market. With Clickable, businesses can create stunning, brand-appropriate, high-conversion ads without relying on design experts. Whether you're looking to advertise on social media, Google, or any other marketing channel, Clickable has got you covered. The platform supports all marketing channels, formats, and ad sizes, so you can reach your target audience wherever they are. And the best part? Clickable uses the latest AI advances to ensure your ads look great and drive sales and brand awareness. But wait, there's more. Clickable is so user-friendly you don't even need to have any design skills to create amazing graphics and copy. Simply add keywords from your existing campaigns or websites and let the AI do the rest. And if you want to add a personal touch, the drag-and-drop editor allows you to easily add your slogan, call to action, and other elements. Did Clickable ensure brand consistency? You must enter your website URL, and the platform will extract all the necessary information to keep your ads consistent with your brand, so you can focus on what you do best, running your business, while Clickable handles your advertising needs. And there's even more to love about Clickable. The platform constantly evolves and improves, so you always have access to the latest and greatest features and technology. And if you have any questions or concerns, their customer support team is always there to help. One of the most exciting things about Clickable is the potential for businesses to save time and money. No more hiring costly designers or copywriters to create your ads. With Clickable, you can do it all in a fraction of the time. And the results speak for themselves. Clickable's customers have reported increased sales, improved brand awareness, and higher conversion rates. It's no wonder many businesses are switching to this innovative advertising platform. In conclusion, if you're looking for an easy-to-use AI-powered advertising platform to help you create stunning ads for all marketing channels, you should check out Clickable. Trust me, you won't regret it. Have you heard about DreamPick AI yet? It's a fantastic platform that lets you turn your ordinary photos into personalized works of art. And the best part, it's all done through artificial intelligence. Here's how it works. First, upload 10-30 photos of yourself, or someone else if you want, to the platform. Then you pick from a wide range of styles, including everything from celebrities to art deco, from African shamans to comic soccer players. You can suggest your custom style if you have a specific vision. Once you've picked your style, the DreamPick AI platform uses advanced technologies like Stable Diffusion and DreamBooth to train a neural network on your photos. This creates a model that can generate new images in your chosen style. And trust me, the results are excellent. So what can you do with these personalized images? Well, the sky's the limit. You can download and share the photos on social media, use them as your new profile picture, or even use them for commercial purposes. And because the platform is fee-based, you can be sure that your photos and information are kept safe and secure. Now I know you might be thinking, but what if I want to try a different style later? Don't worry, DreamPick AI has got you covered. You can reuse or download the trained model and create images in as many different styles as you like. The possibilities are endless. And that's not all. DreamPick AI is constantly adding new styles to its list, so you'll always have options. Whether you're into futuristic cyberpunk, vintage steampunk, or the latest pop art trends, you'll find it all here. And if you don't, suggest a new style, and who knows, it might end up being the next big thing. Another great thing about DreamPick AI is that you can create images of anyone you like. Maybe you have a friend who always wanted to be a comic soccer player, or perhaps you have a family member who wants to see themselves as a Greek deity. With DreamPick AI, you can make those dreams a reality. So whether you're an artist, a creative mind, or just someone who wants to have fun, DreamPick AI is the perfect platform. With its easy-to-use interface and cutting-edge technology, you'll be able to turn your ordinary photos into extraordinary works of art in no time. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to express yourself or want some creative severe fun, DreamPick AI is the perfect platform. Try it out today and see what amazing images you can create. Do you want to spend hours or even days creating icons for your app or website? I have the perfect solution for you. App Icons AI. This fantastic platform uses AI to generate professional and attractive icons in just a few clicks. It's as easy as 1, 2, or 3. The platform is simple and intuitive, following a 3-step process that will have you creating up to 6 different designs, cropping and previewing them, and scaling them to 2048 on 2048 in no time. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, App Icons AI is designed to be used by everyone and comes with various pricing plans to suit your needs. The free plan offers 5 icon designs, perfect for personal use, while the most popular program provides 100 icon designs, allowing you to create icons for your commercial app. And the best part, all icons generated by App Icons AI are available in SVG format, making them suitable for iOS and Android apps. So you can have peace of mind knowing that your icons will look great on all platforms. Not only does App Icons AI save you time and effort, but it also eliminates the need for technical skills or image editing software. With 6 different design options, you're sure to find the perfect look for your app. And with the ability to scale your icons up to 2048 on 2048, you can ensure that they will look crisp and clear on all devices. There are various pricing plans, including a free program that offers 5 icon designs for personal use only. And if you're looking to use the icons commercially, paid programs provide more credits and procedures, including the most popular plan, which offers 100 icon designs. All the icons generated by App Icons AI are available in SVG format, making them suitable for Android and iOS platforms. In conclusion, if you're looking for a quick and easy way to create attractive, professional-looking icons for your app, look no further than App Icons AI. Its user-friendly interface, variety of pricing plans, and ability to generate icons for Android and iOS platforms make it the perfect solution for everyone, from beginners to professionals. So why wait? Start creating stunning icons today. Have you heard about AI profile Pixart? It's such an excellent tool that lets you create stunning profile images with the help of AI. This online platform takes your stock photos and turns them into a work of art with just a few clicks. To create your avatar, you must upload from 15 to 20 photos of yourself or the subject you want to use. Then you can edit and crop the images to your liking using the online photo editor. After that, you get to choose from over 70 available art styles, each with its unique look and feel. The options are endless, from the Joker to Greek gods, from cartoon characters to stroke drawings, and from fantasy to cyberpunk. Once you've made your selections, you'll receive an email in about 2 hours with your perfect avatar. The AI technology used by Pixart is top-notch, and the AI-based quality control systems ensure that every photo created goes through a thorough quality check process. This means you can expect unparalleled photo quality and stunning visuals every time. Regarding payment, Pixart accepts major credit cards and PayPal, and an invoice for the total amount will be sent to your email after payment. Plus, for privacy reasons, all AI-generated photos will be deleted from the server within a week. Of course, refunds are not possible, but customer satisfaction is guaranteed. And if you're a tech-savvy individual, the train model can even be imported into any Stable Diffusion UI and referenced with the keywords SKS plus type in the prompts. Okay, let me add more details to make it more exciting and informative. Pixart's AI technology is designed to create up to 200 high-resolution and high-quality profile images. The platform supports PNG, JPG, and HEIC file formats so that you can use the photos for your online profiles and other purposes like printing, wallpapers, and more. One of the best things about Pixart is the variety of art styles available. Whether looking for a classic, elegant look or something more playful and quirky, you're sure to find a style that suits your personality. And with over 70 styles to choose from, the possibilities are endless. Another great feature of Pixart is the quick turnaround time. Within 2 hours of making your selections, you'll receive an email with your perfect avatar, so you can start using it immediately and no more waiting for days or weeks to create your profile image. And if you're worried about privacy, you can rest easy knowing that all AI-generated photos will be deleted from the server within a week. Pixart values the privacy of its customers, and this is just one way they ensure that your personal information is protected. So why wait? If you're looking for a fun and creative way to showcase your personality online, head to AI Profile Pixart today. Whether you're a professional, student, artist, or just someone looking for a fun new way to express yourself, this tool has everything you need to create a truly unique and unforgettable profile image. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to stand out on social media or wherever you use your profile image, give AI Profile Pixart a try. Your friends will be amazed at the transformation.